welcome to this week's new release video. There is one new collection for this week, and then I'm also trying out something new. So you guys can let me know how you feel about it in the comments down below. But I am so excited for this collection. I'm sure you guys can already see it. I did sneak the like the photoshopped image in the Facebook group as well as on Instagram. Also, these are available now. They went up in the shop last night. I just didn't announce that they were actually there. So I've got deluxe, mini, and then 2 micros for this. And then let me start with this. So this is something, also this is gonna drive me insane. Let's straighten that up. There we go. This is something new that I wanted to try. So basically each week for the next little bit, depending I guess on what the feedback is, I wanted to do, if you purchase the new collections on new release day, so it would have to be the new one. If there's more than one, there will be more than one of these that will go with each one. And then it will only be on Friday until midnight EST. You would receive this freebie as well as the regular freebie, or if you put in a PR code, a PR freebie. So you guys let me know how you feel about that in the comments down below. And it's basically just a sampler. You've got a bow box, you've got a flag, a bow, and then some of the dainty icons. And I don't know, I just wanted to try something. So I'm going between doing this, and then I've got one other idea I'm gonna try out as well in a couple of weeks. But yeah, you guys let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this? Do you like that? Yeah, but that's basically the way to get this is to pick up the new collection, any part of it. It can be deluxe, mini, or the micros. You will get this if you order on new release day. So yeah, you guys let me know in the comments down below what you think. The background, obviously, in the foil color will change each week as the kits change. But yeah, I think that's it. Anyway, so let's move on to the collection. So this week's collection is called Planner Life, and I am just so in love. So this has hollow foil. These colors are actually the same as the Space collection, which was a collection I really loved. So I'm excited to have that back again. So basically your foil are these quotes. So the first one says, if it's not in my planner, it didn't happen. The second one says, so many planners, so little time. It's raining outside right now, so my light's not the best. And it actually has a little planner. This one says, still plays with stickers. And then this one down here says, planner's gonna plan. And I'm in love. And then your boxes that don't have the foil are all very planner related. So the first one here is some sticker storage, and it says stickers, and even more stickers. Over here you've got a shelf that just has some planner items in it. We've got some washi as well as some planners over here, and my tripod is in the way. We've got a washi container with a bunch of washi as well as a Raskog cart as well. So I'm in love. I don't know, something about these colors and everything and it being totally planner related. I'm just really loving this kit. As far as the bottom washi, I feel like I'm having issues with my focus. There we go. It is, I love it. So these are actually like the heart rings from the Happy Planner. And I love it so, so much. So you've got your bow washi, you've got your bottom washi, your date covers, your weekly tracker, and then you've got a couple of foiled boxes up top. This is the deluxe version of the kit, and I am gonna go ahead and flip through it. So your neck sheets here would be your date numbers, you've got your icons, your scripts, and your heart checklist. Next is your appointment labels, quarter boxes, half boxes, and then your next sheet has got your little things, your cut washi, as well as your glitter headers. Next is your ombre heart checklist, your flags, and your daily trackers. You've got a 3 heart checklist and 2 of the 2 heart checklist. So all of that is the deluxe version of the kit. This week I do have all of the kits here. Also, this one we're not gonna offer without foil just because it looks really plain if this is just white. Or black for that matter. It doesn't look good in my opinion, so I'm not gonna offer them that way. Next is the mini version of the kit. So you have those same full boxes. The full boxes are also offered a la carte. Next, you've got your icons, you've got your scripts, your heart checklist, 3 heart checklist and 2 heart checklist. Next is your appointment labels, quarter boxes, and half boxes. Next are your little things, your cut washi and your glitter headers. And then for mini, you've got that same bottom washi, same date covers, and then you've got a weekly tracker, 2 daily trackers, and then 1 of those foiled boxes over here. Oh, it's a lot. Next are your micro kits. So these are marked as $6 for through the weekend, probably through the time that I get $2 Tuesday up. So these are regularly $8.50. Until I go in and change them, they will be marked down to $6. Additional coupon codes won't work on these, but we've got two different ones. So the first one has your planners, your washi, and you've got still plays with stickers. You have your foiled date covers, your boxes, your foiled headers, flags, 2-heart checklist, and then some 3-heart checklist. And then your second sheet, which will be the same in both, has got your 3-heart checklist, weekly tracker, little things, daily trackers. You've got your cut washi, and then you have got your boxes. Next sheet is your, this is number 1. I went backwards. So this is actually Planner Life 1 Micro. So you have got your, if it is not in my planner, I can't talk. If it's not in my planner, it didn't happen. And then you've got your sticker storage over here. And then everything else is the same. And then also the same over here. So yeah, that is this week's new releases. I hope you guys love them. Let me know how you feel in the comments down below. And please leave me any feedback you've got about this, because I definitely want to get that, and then we will regroup after I get some feedback. But yeah, I will talk to you guys next time. Bye guys.